Hello, my name is Stephanie Roach. I work with the Marine Resources Development Foundation, or Marine Lab, in Key Largo, and I do marine conservation for school groups, so anywhere from 5th grade through college kids. Come down to Key Largo, we take them out on the boats, teach them about the coral reef, seagrasses, the mangroves, the diversity of the environment, conservation efforts, and then do labs and different activities at night.
Okay, so what are you doing at the Bioblitz specifically?
Well, at Bioblitz, I've been sailing with a couple different groups down here and doing an invertebrate diversity lab, or how we call it at Marine Lab, a rock shake. So basically, you pick up a rock out of the water and you shake it into a bucket and see what invertebrates come out. And you can kind of tell the health of an environment from the diversity of the critters that you find.
And explain what seining is. How does that work? What's the technique?
Seining is when you have a long net and essentially you kind of run along the coastline and scoop up the critters and see what you can find. So.
And you've done that a few times, and you found, give us examples of what you found and tell us what's in your hand. That was a very interesting find.
Well, today when we were sailing, we found a couple different mollusks, so different types of snails. But this guy right here is a baby barracuda in the barracuda family, and he is a juvenile, quite little baby guy. Usually in the seagrass beds and the mangroves, you're going to find juvenile species. Just seagrasses act as a nursery area for animals before they go out to the reef, so they kind of hang out here. Lots of food for them, lots of places to hide out, and then once they're mature enough, they'll go out to the reef. So this was a pretty good find. We also found a couple other species of fish, and other things I've done. We found seahorses and all sorts of stuff.
You found seahorses here today?
Not here today, but at Marine Lab when we've done sailing back in at Ness Key in the backcountry.
So how do you find the health of the water here? The water quality and the biodiversity, is it looking good?
So far it's been great, yeah. And the rock shake that we just did, we found a couple indicator species. So that was exciting. An indicator species is a species that it needs just the right conditions to survive. It's very delicate. So when you find it, it's, a healthy environment and good water quality and everything like that. So as far as I can tell, everything's looking good.
Great.